Meaning of honouree.
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 Honouree. Honoree is a term used to refer to someone who has been honored or awarded for their outstanding achievement, contribution, or service. It is commonly used in the context of awards, such as the Nobel Prize, Order of Canada, or Queen's Birthday Honors. The title of honoree is given as a recognition of the recipient's exceptional work and dedication in their field. Being named an honoree is a great achievement and often signifies that the recipient has made an important impact and positive change in their community or beyond. It can also serve as inspiration for others to strive for excellence in their own endeavors.